Hey everybody, so today we're going to talk about that popping noise that you hear. I get the question a lot, what's that popping noise when you adjust me? Well, that's a good question. What that is, it's gas being released from the joint. So what that popping noise is, or what happens, so if everybody remembers when you first came in, I went over what the subluxation is, right? That's when the vertebrae is slipped backwards like this. So what we're doing with an adjustment is we're basically nudging these vertebrae back forward. So what the popping noise is, it's nitric oxide being released, the gases being released, from the joint. Also, there's joints back here as well that release those gases, okay? So that's what that popping noise is. Now, the other key component to this is there's only so much of that gas in there at any given point during the day, right? So let's say, whatever reason, you have neck problems and you're coming in for that, right? As you're going through the day, you looked, maybe on your way in, you went to check your blind spot, you felt your neck pop a little bit, right? There's a really good chance you're not going to hear that popping sound then with the adjustment on that day because the gases aren't in there right now. But the key that I'm feeling for is that movement that we're getting with the adjustment. So we're getting the vertebrae, the bone, moving again. That's what we're shooting for. That's the end all. Not necessarily the popping noise. The popping noise, normal, great. I love popping. Some people call it crack. I don't care. Call me a crack dealer, right? Okay, maybe don't say that all in public, but you get my point, right? We love to hear it, we love to feel it, all that sort of stuff. But that's what the popping noise is. It's gases being released. Perfectly normal. That's exactly what we're looking for. But at the end of the day, we're really looking to see these things be moving and functioning better too. So the popping isn't the end all, but most of the time we should be hearing or feeling that. So hopefully that clears up any questions on that. If you have any further questions, just shoot us an email. We'll be sure to address that for you. All right.